Azan Zungu, the deputy speaker of Tanzania's National Assembly, said the China-proposed Belt and Road Initiative has been another milestone in the China-Africa partnership that complements the Forum on China-Africa cooperation. He made the remarks at an international symposium held in Tanzania's commercial hub of Dar es Salaam.
Among the main 5 areas covered by the BRI is infrastructure connectivity. This makes the BRI particularly attractive as a catalyst for East Africa economic integration. In this regard, the East African countries are in better position to grab all opportunities come with this initiative. Certainly, strengthening East African community relations with China will spur economic growth in the region. For instance, in Tanzania, we have witnessed a large number of Chinese companies with strong capital, technical and management capacity taking part in Tanzania development project.
The symposium, with the theme of China-Africa Vision Towards a Sustainable Future, was held Friday to mark the 10th anniversary of the BRI, proposed by China in 2013.